you do is pull these out. There's another one down here. You pull right there. I think push that. Let me see. Pull this up, and then push it so these could unlock. These things here. There we go. And take this bad boy out. It's been a while. Whew, that looks bad. Yeah, look at that one. Yeah, that looks pretty bad. Yuck. So replace it with that clean one. Ew. That is gross. So I was finally able to get this in here. It was a little bit rough, so yeah. You're gonna have to push it in there, so push this down. You can see it right through. Oh, make sure these are pushed down. Let's see. Snap that back into place. Make sure you snap the other dealio here back in. There. All done. Thanks for watching.